Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how to use Blogger step by step. Blogger tutorial for beginners. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now currently on our screen, as you can see, we're currently in blogger.com. Now blogger.com is a website where you will be able to create different blogs and read different blogs from other people as well. It's a very straightforward and easy platform to access and easy platform to navigate. Now, Blogger is a Google application or a Google feature. As you can notice over here on the top right, you will be able to see the section where you will be able to see your profile and the 3 dots or 9 dots over here, which will show you the different Google apps, which are only features that are commonly found on Google items or Google applications. For example, if you want to view or if you view a specific Google application over here, like Google search itself, you will be able to see the same icons over here on the top right. So that's a key signature that this is something Google made. Now, if you want to access this website, accessing it is very easy, very straightforward. Simply search blogger.com and you will be able to access blogger.com over here. After logging in, that is when you will be able to play around with it, where you can publish your own blog or read other blogs as well. So let's check out where we are right now. What is the thing that we are seeing? Currently, this is the dashboard or the reading list. This is where you will be able to see all different types of blogs that are available right now. For example, we have here Blogger Buzz. This is one of the many blog posts that are posted in Blogger. And if you want to read more, you will be able to click on read more and then you will be redirected. So simply accept the redirection and there we go. You will be able to find information about a specific blog that you are looking at. As you can see here, this was last posted in May 20, 2020. Then you can see the information over here. Now going back here, if you want to change the type of blogs that you are seeing, you can click on all blogs. And as you can see right now, the one that is default or the one that is followed automatically is called Blogger Buzz, which is what we are seeing right now. And we could follow other blogs over here, which would allow us to see more blog lists over here. So if you click here to enter blogs you'd like to follow, you could simply search for the different blog names that you could find over here. There are blogs and sites that you are following. And you can simply click on add. Then you could simply put in the URL over here, which would allow you to follow different blogs and view the different blogs over here in your reading list. You can also click on manage, which will redirect you to the same thing that we just saw. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Now if you want to create your own blog, of course it's a blogging website. You want to be able to share your content as well, not just read other people's content. So to be able to create your own blog, click on create blog over here on the top left and you could enter a name for your blog. For example, a tutorial blog. Something as simple as that. Then click on next. Then you could put in the address over here. Tutorial blogger. Something like that. Now this blog address is not available, so you could add extra information to make sure that it is a unique blog website. So I guess let's go with Caesar blog. This blog address is available, so make sure that it is unique and simply click on save. And after that, there we go. You will now be able to access a new section over here. This is where you will be able to control all your blogs. This is where you will be able to add your post. You could add a post by simply clicking on create new post over here on the top left. And then you can simply enter the information that you would usually add. You could add labels, you could add or you could check on your published on, your permalink, location, and options over here. You can simply put in whatever you want. So let's simply go with hello everyone. Something like that. And the title, I guess let's go with first post. Then you could change here the options. You could either preview post or you could save it. But let's go and publish it. Confirm. And now there we go. We now have our first post over here. You will be able to see statistics like how many comments, how many views it has, and many more. You could also revert it to a draft. You could apply labels to this post, or you could move it to the trash, or you could also click on view, and you will be able to view what it would look like on other people's point of view, wherein they can comment like, this is great, something like that. Then click on publish. Now that will be a comment that is published, as you can see. So if we refresh this, there will be a single comment available over here, as you can see. You can also check out your different statistics over here for your blog posts, latest posts over here, the tutorial blog, and posts and pages in general. You will be able to view comments just like this one, as you can see, wherein you could remove this content or remove content of this comment. You could mark this as spam, or you could delete this comment if you want. You can also check out your earnings over here, but you will need to add some AdSense account to be able to start earning. Over here, you have pages. You could add pages over here that you could create. You could easily create a pages by clicking on new page over here on the top left. So if we try this out, it's the same thing as earlier, but this time it will be for a page. Now we have an untitled page over here. You can also check out layouts over here. As you can see, you could add, remove, edit gadgets on your blog, and you could rearrange them if you want, as you can see here. So this is what other people would see when they view your blog. This is going to be the layout that you will be able to customize. You can also view and customize your theme over here. For example, you would like to have a neon theme. You can select that and you can click on apply. And now that will be the theme of your post. So if we preview one of our posts over here, hopefully it will show us a neon theme. And there we go. We now have a dark and neon style to our post. So you could change your layout or theme depending on your preferences, as you can see here. And aside from that, we could go back to our homepage over here. Now, once you created a blog, that will be something that will always be part of your section now. You will no longer be able to see the part earlier unless you delete this entire blog. But to create a new blog, of course, this is an entirely single blog. But if you want to create a new entire blog, for example, this time this will be for advanced blog. And click on next. Now this will be a completely different blog over here. So Caesar Advanced. Click on save. And now we will have a completely new blog section over here wherein you will be able to put in new posts, check out your new stats, and many more. If you want to move along or go back, you can simply click on a tutorial blog over here by clicking on the top left over here. And you can also search over here if ever you made a lot of posts and you're a bit confused on where your specific post is. So that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to use Blogger as a beginner. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.